Hey traders, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to draw SNR, mean support and resistance, and how to trade on them. So, how to draw SNR? You have to draw SNR near to the price bar. So, like this. Here you can see the price bar is here, right? So, you have to draw SNR near to this level. So, in current price bar, the nearest SNRs are here. This the level, and here also a level, right? This is also a level from where buyers entered, right? So these are the level. So this is how you can draw the SNR near to the price bar. So here also a price bar, sorry, a level, right? This is a level, SNR level, the support level and the resistance level. So which are support and which are resistance? So okay, a minute. So the seller's entry is called support level, sorry, resistance level. So this is the resistance levels from where sellers are enter, and which are the support level. The buyer's enter point is a support level. So this is the support level. So the question is how to trade on SNR. There is 3 rules to trade on SNR. The first rule is always trade on strong SNR. Right. So which are the strong SNR? Okay, let me tell you. So here you in this chart you can see from here, right, from this line you are seeing strongly buyers entered in this trend. In this is we called momentum. From here to here, from the blue line to the above line we call momentum. So from where market get momentum we call these levels are the strong level, right? From here to here we are not seeing any bearish candle, mean here buyers are very strong. So whenever market will come to this level, we can place our trade. Like here market closed near to these levels and market reversed, right? So here we can trade. So this is a strong SNR, and another type of strong SNR is from where the market respect like every time. In the current picture you can see this level, market reversed from this level so many times. Here also, and here and here as well, and here as well, here as well, here as well, breakout and reversal. So this is also a strong level, right? From where market respecting, if any level market respecting again and again, these are the strong levels, like this. So how to trade on them? Whenever you have to draw these strong levels and you have to trade on this strong levels, right? This is also a strong level, this is also a strong level from where market get momentum. There is no bearish candle middle of this trend, and this is also a strong level from here sellers are entered very strongly, right? This is also a strong level. So if you want to trade on SNR strategy, you have to draw the strong SNR level. This is the first rule, and the second rule is always trade in the direction of the trend, right? So here you have to draw in the direction of the level. So in this kind here, from you can see from here market falling to the downward direction. So we already know this is a strong level. So whenever market come to this level up, so Here we already know that market going to the downward direction, right? So whenever market broke this level and come to this level, we can trade. Here you can see market break here and market again come to this level, so here we can trade, right? You can see market close near to this SNR level, and after that market reverse again, market come to this level, again market reverse, again you can see market come to this level, again reversed, again market right, again reversed, right? So this is how you can trade at this level with the direction of the trend, right? Here you can see here again market come this level, again market reverse, right? So you may talk that why here market didn't respect this level. Market will not respect any level if there is a momentum. If we saw 3 bullish candle, right, if we saw 3 bullish candle continuously, then we can think that market is started a momentum. From here we can the 3 candle, again the 4th candle, so this is the momentum. So it's better to not to trade here, because we are seeing a strong momentum and candles are also very strong. So avoid this type of market. But you can trade actually after break this level, right? After this breakout, market come and near to this level, again we can see market reversed for 1 minute. This is how we can trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, so and the third rule is you have to trade with the 5-second confirmation at the level. So here you can see this candle, right? Market close near to this level, so this is strong candle. That's why if we trade with the 5-second confirmation, it will be better. Your winning ratio will be increased if we trade with the 5-second confirmation. Here we can see okay, wait a minute friends. Okay, here you can see, so this is the previous candle where it stopped. After that we are seeing strong sellers. As soon as they hit this level, we are seeing strong buyers entry. So this will be the 5-second confirmation, right? After this confirmation, you can place your trade to the higher option. So I want to give you some good 5-second confirmations. This is a good 5-second confirmations. So this so here you can see the near to the levels, but this is the again a green candle, but this is not a strong candle. This is a type of spinning top. To avoid this type of confirmation. This is also not good because volume is not high here, so avoid this type of confirmations. So here we can see this type of confirmation, the red candle, this type of confirmation is very good. This type of confirmation, the green one, is very good. So always take confirmation. Okay, this red candle also a very good confirmation, so always take this type of confirmations to trade. Wait a minute. So this is about how you can trade on SNR, but always remember you have to follow these 3 rules. Always draw a strong SNR level, always trade in the direction of the trend, and always take a 5-second confirmation for better result. So this is about today's video, and I will make a video. Next video will be the fake breakout, how to identify them and how to trade on a fake breakout. So till then, bye bye.